So now we can use highest common factor and lowest common multiple to calculate, or the other way even, we can use prime factors to find the highest common factor and lowest common multiple, especially when the numbers get a bit bigger. So you might not want to in this case, but sometimes better. There's a different way of working it out. So the first thing we want to do is we want to write out the factor trees for 24 and 180. So we've got 24, which we can do 4 and 6, 2 and 2, 3 and 2. And then 180, 18, 10, 5 and 2, 9 and 2, 3 and 3. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to draw a Venn diagram. So a Venn diagram is just two circles that overlap. So what we want to do is we want to categorise all the factors in 24 and all the factors in 180 and which ones they have in common. So this right one will be 24 and this next one will be 180. So what factors do 24 and 180 have in common? So let's have a little gander. So 24 has 1, 2 there and another 2 there and 1, 2 there and another 2 there. And they've both got 2 3s in common. So we put them in the middle. So we've got 2, 2 and a 3. So just to note, it also matters how many times it occurs as well. So because we've got 2 lots of 2s in both, they also go in the middle. And then what we're going to do is we're going to write the rest in the 24. So we've only got a 2 left there and a 5 and a 3 on that side. So now the highest common factor is found by multiplying the inside of this Venn diagram, so where they overlap. So in this case, it's going to be 2 times 2 times 3. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12. So the highest common factor is 12. Now to work out the lowest common multiple, we now multiply everything in both circles, including the middle as well. So is everything in them circles. So because we've already worked out what this middle bit is, that's just going to be 12 and then what's left over. So times by 2, times by 5, times by 3. So I always try and split these up in the easiest way. So we've got 12 and we know that 2 times 5 is 10. So 12 times 10 times 3. So then it's always really easy to times things by 10. So 12 times 10 is 120 times by 3. And 120 times by 3 is 360. So the lowest common multiple is 360. And here are some more examples for you to work out by yourself.